honestly the best thing since sliced f***ing bread, bro. Like, sliced bread ain't got shit on fucking lock kits for Miatas. I'm telling you, sliced bread ain't got shit.
Alrighty guys, we're out here at Queensland Raceway. We're testing, there's so much going on behind me. We're testing the Destroy or Die front Miata ankle kit, which consists of the lower control arm and the drop knuckle. Also, all poly bushes around. Let's get into it. Honestly, I've already done a few laps and it feels like cheat codes. I'm telling you, you guys need to pick up this kit. If you have a Miata, an MX-5, whatever, and you want to drift it, I'm telling you, this is what you need. Go check it out. Link will be in the description. Destroy or Die. Honestly, it's like I just turned on God mode. Like, it's fucking gnarly how insane it is. So let's do some laps, and we'll see how we go. And I also got to show you guys the lock.
Fuck yes. If you don't believe me that this is the best thing since sliced bread, you can go f yourself, because this is the best thing since fucking grilled cheese, bro.
Alright, so we just finished up the day at Queensland Raceway testing out the angle kit, the Destroy or Die angle kit that we put in last video. And if you hadn't already told, like, if you couldn't tell by the video, by my reaction and whatnot, nuts. Literally, if you have an MX-5 or a Miata or whatever, doesn't matter where you are, if you want to drift it, you need one of these kits, man. Insane the difference that this kit makes.
So see it, there's our lower control arm and our knuckle.
Truly didn't have a single problem on the day. I performed exactly how I wanted them to perform, and it's just nuts. Like, so we got a proper alignment. The alignment specs we're sitting at were 4.5 caster, -6 camber, and I think we're 0 toe. We're also running 0 toe rear, and I think it was like -2 camber, because I can't correct it without the rear control arms, because on Miatas it's just horrible. But so yeah, that was just nuts how the car performed, how it actually self-steered. So a lot of the events that I've been to with this car, honestly I drive like trash, because the car fights you. It does not self-steer, it's all you. Plus this is a manual racked car, it's factory manual rack, so it's no power steering. The car was not helping me at all, but now that we have a corrected alignment, it honestly drives crazy. Drives like an absolute dream. Nuts. Like, literally the best investment I've made on this car so far, and any car for that matter. The amount that this helped my driving, it's just mind-blowing. So yeah, highly recommend if you guys want to pick up a kit. Links in the description, built by Kyle. Check out, you get 10% off all the Destroy or Die parts, which on suspension parts, that's a pretty big savings. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video, guys. If this video helped you out at all or you liked it, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.